Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use iMessage on iPad. Pro tips step by step clearly. Unlock your iPad and locate the Messages app. If it's not on your home screen, swipe down from the middle of the screen and type Messages in the search bar. Once you open the app, sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. To start a new conversation, tap the pencil icon located in the upper right corner. Enter the recipient's name or phone number in the To a field. If the contact is saved in your address book, their name will appear as you type. Select the correct contact. Now, you can start typing your message in the text field at the bottom. To add emojis, tap the smiley face icon on the keyboard. You can also send photos or videos by tapping the camera icon. For larger files, tap the App Store icon next to the text field to access more features. You can send voice messages by holding down the microphone icon. To create a group chat, add multiple contacts in the To a field. To send a message, simply tap the blue Send button. You can react to messages by tapping and holding on a received message until the reaction options appear. To enable or disable Read Receipts, go to Settings, then Messages, and toggle Send Read Receipts. For additional message effects, to access your iMessage settings, navigate to Settings, then Messages. Here, you can customize options such as group messaging and iMessage effects. For added privacy, explore the Blocked Contacts feature in the Messages settings. If a message is not delivered, check your internet connection or the recipient's settings. Remember, iMessages only work between Apple devices. If desired, you can also send messages as SMS if iMessage is unavailable. Stay organized by using the search feature in the Messages app for quick access to conversations. Make the most of iMessage by exploring all its features and settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.